Hello there. We've got some real contrast northwest to southeast across Europe over the next couple of days. In the northwest, there's an approaching area of low pressure. You can see it here, this swirl of cloud on the satellite image. That's going to be bringing some unsettled showery weather to the UK, France, parts of Spain, Portugal, as well as Scandinavia too. Meanwhile, further southeast, higher pressure holds on. Lots of dry, sunny weather for the likes of Italy, across the Balkans, down towards Greece. A few showers over the mountains of Turkey, but temperatures doing pretty well across parts of Ukraine, for instance. They're about 10 degrees above what we'd expect for this time of year. But head further west and you're back into the unsettled, showery spell of weather. So some showers across northern parts of Portugal, north of Spain as well, and some blustery showers with some fairly strong gusty winds for the UK up towards Denmark. To the north of that, it's turning pretty chilly for parts of Norway. Into Saturday, and that weather front slips a little bit further southwards and eastwards, so we're going to see some of those heavy showers pushing across the Alps into northern parts of Italy. Also Portugal and Spain seeing some pulses of heavier rain by the time we get to Saturday. Still dry though towards the southeast. Fewer showers in London than we've seen recently. Still a few lingering in both Paris and in Madrid, but I think Rome looks largely dry over the next 5 days or so. Mostly dry with some sunny spells too for Berlin. Temperatures dipping down a little in Moscow. Bye-bye. Hello there. There's been quite an active nor'easter storm that's been affecting the northeast of the United States and southeast Canada over the past 24 hours or so. You can see the cloud associated with that storm system on the satellite image. As it continues its way towards the northeast, eventually we'll see that low pressure starting to fill. The strongest of the winds and the heaviest of the rain will gradually ease away through Friday and into the weekend. Meanwhile, we're likely to see a tropical storm forming in the Gulf of Mexico. That heavy rain will then be pushing into some Gulf states, including Mississippi, towards Georgia and Florida as well, so be prepared for some heavy rain in the southeast. An unsettled picture across British Columbia and also in towards Washington State and Oregon. Some showers and some blustery conditions, some snow over the highest ground. Further south into California, it's looking largely dry and settled. Still quite a high fire risk, though, for the likes of Colorado up towards South Dakota. More rain in the forecast for Vancouver and Seattle at times over the next few days, but it should be staying dry for San Francisco and Los Angeles. A gradually improving picture for the likes of Montreal and New York on Friday. After the windy weather on Thursday, the winds will be gradually easing. Not as hot as it has been down towards the southeast. A much fresher story here. And there is all that heavy rain on the potential tropical storm which will be sweeping across the Gulf of Mexico. Here's the outlook then. A few showers in Atlanta, but most places in the east staying dry and settled. Bye-bye. Hello there. There's an area of heavy rain and big thunderstorms in the Gulf of Mexico, which is likely to form into a tropical storm over the next 24 hours or so. That's something we're keeping a close eye on. Meanwhile, further south, there's been heavy rain on a slow-moving front across central parts of South America. Most of that heaviest rain will be moving away into the South Atlantic, but we've still got a line of heavy showers on Friday across the far south of Brazil, northern Uruguay, stretching into a few spots in northeast Argentina as well. Further north, quite widespread showers for the likes of Ecuador, Peru, Venezuela, Colombia too. Fewer showers for Suriname, French Guiana and down the east coast of Brazil too. But not too heavy showers in the far south. To the south of that, not as chilly as it has been for central Argentina. So temperatures a little bit warmer in Buenos Aires than they were earlier on in the week. Here's the outlook then. In Rio de Janeiro, there'll be some showers arriving by Sunday with a bit of a dip in the temperature here. Assumption also seeing a few showers over the next few days. Buenos Aires, though, looking mostly dry. Now, we have got some heavy rain sitting across the southwest of Mexico, but we're also expecting heavy showers in the Gulf of Mexico, clearing away from the east coast. Could be a few outbreaks of rain for the Yucatan Peninsula, but that storm will be pushing its way northwards towards the Gulf states of the USA. Just a few scattered showers for parts of Cuba, Jamaica too, and we'll stick with the showers in Havana over the next 5 days or so, but it's mostly dry in Kingston. Bye-bye. Hello there. We've seen some high temperatures across much of South Africa over recent days. The heatwave conditions are set to continue here through the next 24 to 48 hours before it turns a little bit cooler on through next week. Here's the satellite, shows a little bit of cloud here and there across North Africa. A few showers, they're going to be sticking around, affecting parts of Algeria and Libya during Friday. Also plenty of heavy showers right through the central belt from the Gulf of Aden to the Gulf of Guinea. Down towards South Africa, another hot day. 26 Celsius in Cape Town on Friday. Inland in one or two spots, those temperatures near 40 Celsius with an elevated fire risk still holding on. It will gradually cool down in Cape Town over the next 5 days or so. Johannesburg still staying pretty warm. Nairobi will see plenty of showers at times. Showers also affecting Lagos at times over the next 5 days or so. Lusaka looking dry and sunny with those temperatures building up into the mid-30s. Across the Middle East then, well, we've had a few heavy showers in Syria. They're going to be easing away. Still 1 or 2 showers for Syria and for Lebanon. Fairly light winds across the Gulf on Friday, but those Shamal winds will be picking up later in the weekend. We're also set to see 1 or 2 showers just bubbling up over the Sarawat Mountains for parts of southern Saudi Arabia and around the coast of Yemen as well. 1 or 2 showers also for the mountains of northern Iran. But Muscat, Dubai, Riyadh and Kuwait all looking hot and sunny over the next 5 days. Bye-bye. Hello there. The southwest monsoon across India has now withdrawn, although it has been very late. The northeast monsoon now starting up as we see some heavy rain in the forecast, particularly in the east over the next few days. You can see from the satellite image we've already had quite a bit of cloud here, particularly for the likes of Tamil Nadu up towards Andhra Pradesh. Still some heavy rain lingering though further west for parts of Karnataka and Kerala, for instance, as well. Some showers affecting Mumbai at times over the next few days, but further north across India, things are looking warm and dry for the likes of New Delhi at around 33 Celsius. Meanwhile, heading our way further northwest into Central Asia, lots of dry, settled weather on the cards across much of Turkmenistan, Kazakhstan as well. A few showers over the mountains of northern Afghanistan and northern Pakistan. Karachi, though, looking dry and sunny. But as we head down the west coast of India, you can see quite a bit of showery rain from Mumbai anywhere south. Mali seeing some of those showers, but equally some drier weather interspersed too. Across Sri Lanka, the showers will be quite frequent with some hail and some thunder mixed in with them too. Largely dry and settled across Bangladesh. Here's the outlook for the next 5 days or so, and you can see further showers at times in Mumbai, also in Colombo, Islamabad and Dhaka, both looking dry and settled. Lots of sunshine for Tashkent, Karachi and New Delhi, but some heavy downpours in Chennai. Bye-bye. Hello there. A tropical depression has formed out towards the northeast of the Philippines. It's not a particularly potent active storm, but we can see it here on the satellite image, this area of cloud here. It'll be moving its way gradually westwards close to the northern Philippines over the next couple of days, potentially bringing rain to Luzon later in the weekend. Meanwhile, further north, more rain in the forecast, I'm afraid, across Japan. A deepening depression bringing rain to Kyushu and southern Honshu on Friday. That'll push across northern Honshu and Hokkaido during Saturday. It's a drier picture around eastern parts of China, plenty of sunny weather here. A few showers for the Philippines ahead of the arrival of a bit more persistent rain, I think, later on in the weekend, but it should be well to the north. So Tokyo is looking pretty unsettled then. More showers in the outlook over the next 5 days or so. Beijing, Bangkok and also Seoul looking largely dry with some sunshine. Now across Australia, we've got some real contrast in temperature. Many northern and central areas pretty warm and dry, but with weather fronts moving their way eastwards across the southeast, a real dip in temperature for the likes of Melbourne, 15 degrees, few showers around across New South Wales as well. Across the Tasman Sea, an improving picture across New Zealand by Saturday. Friday's wet and windy weather will start to clear away towards the east, so return to some sunshine but still quite breezy conditions there. Plenty of sunshine in Sydney with temperatures on the rise over the next few days. Little rain in Wellington by Wednesday. Bye bye.